How to fix Notes feature not showing. Hello guys, so in today's new video I'm gonna show you how to fix Notes feature not showing easily and fast. First thing you want to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps and then you have to go to the Instagram and then click on the force stop and go to the data usage and make sure that all the network access options are enabled like this. Go to the open by default and click on open supported links in this app and make it ask every time. Now go back to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled, go to the Play Store and update your Instagram. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.